One of the great challenges of today is how so many families and individuals feel isolated. It is a sign, a mark of our age. Since we treat ourselves as individuals, since we always emphasize individual rights, we have lost a sense of the beauty and the richness of the common. This is a big reason, it's a big part of why we feel so isolated, so alone. This is so common among families today. They feel isolated. They don't feel supported by a community. They don't feel part of something bigger. The notion of the common good is very funny in this way that it I don't know of any other instance where there's a notion that's so absolutely central to understanding the good life that is so little understood. All ultimately of the most important goods in life are common goods. An example, the flourishing of the household is a common good. It's a common flourishing. And one of the most important notes of any common good is it belongs to all the members. It's truly and profoundly theirs, but it also belongs to the whole. And so it always belongs to the whole in some sense first, but then it's able to be participated in, and that means had a part in by the members. Being a part of a greater whole actually is a way of God being able to give us a greater good than he could have given us simply as individuals. We jump right to the top. The main instance of this is this. We're called to have a part in the heavenly Jerusalem. The heavenly Jerusalem is a common good. What greater good could we have than to be a member of it? It's truly ours, but it always transcends us. This is the way it is with any common good. It truly belongs to the individual, but it also is greater and transcends the individual good. So the thing that's really going to come out in this course that's so important for understanding life is that we're called to live common goods. We're called to receive them. We're called to enact them. And this is at the center of our vocation as members of a family, members of society, members of the church, as Christians. We're called to have a part in these astounding, transcendent common goods.